Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Goodbuds, man. We just trying to talk about mosquito warfare, or better yet, mosquito dunks when trying to kill fungus gnats. So it's time to kill some fucking fungus gnats, man. If y'all don't already know, we up underneath that Mars Hydro SC6500. You know what I'm saying? That was the newer model. Actually, I think we got another new model coming out. You know what I'm saying? That's about to drop soon. So I'm gonna show those to y'all as well. Right now, we're doing the research on the Nanas number 3 line. We got the two Nanas number 3 donors right here, which will be turned into men essentially, which you guys will get to see right here as we do the research online. This is the glue on number 5. You can tell how this is the glue plant by how short, stacky, and just small as fuck this plant is with a whole bunch of side branching. Then we got the Slurricane number 7, the cat and off, and we got the Nanas number 2, and I think that was it. Oh, and the cherry paloma, of course. So this is what created those. So right now, when you're using dry nutrients, it is very, very common for you to have a lot of for you to get fungus gnats, because fungus gnats like to feed or dying organic material, especially though that same nutrients that we use to feed these plants are also going to feed the fungus gnats as well. So what we're gonna want to do is try to rectify that. So we got some fungus gnats. We got some mosquito dunks. Now mosquito dunks are basically used to kill mosquitoes and different type of larvae that's inside of standing water, like pools, puddles, things of that nature. Especially for mosquitoes. I hate how mosquitoes fucking breed. Do you guys know about how mosquitoes breed? This shit is fucking disgusting. But you know, you could drink, your pets could drink that water, things like that. So, and the plants could drink that water as well, which will hurt them as well. So, we could kill all of that, and then what we really need done right now, anyway, is fungus gnats. That's besides the point. The fungus gnats is going crazy. So we can go ahead and get those killed off, and basically we just gonna sprinkle some inside of each one of these pots, inside all the topsoil, and that's pretty much how it works. So you guys get to see it right here. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel as well. And make sure you guys don't miss out on using that new app, man, the Growmies, Planner, and Hangout, man. Make sure y'all check that out as well. We're going to start doing giveaways on that. But you can see, quickly kill mosquitoes, fungus gnats. And if you will probably have to slow this down because it's hard to see them with your naked eye, especially through the camera. But you can see one right there down in the bottom corner right here. And there's just a few walking around. They definitely get out of hand. And make sure, man, that y'all check out, if y'all trying to completely, fully automate y'all grow, man, look no further, man. Check out Mars Hydro and the smart grow room controller along with that iHub, man. You can control everything inside that room, all automated with the controller, and you can plug everything up and create everything so that it's all smart. So you could actually read the PAR, the humidity, the temperature, and you can get all the perfect readings inside your room so you can maximize your growth and maximize that yield, man. And on top of which, you could use that code special boy down there, that boy called Goodbuds, man, and that can help you even save some more cheese on that boy, man. And make sure y'all get this, man. Y'all control y'all whole grow, man. I haven't looked back. It's one of the best grow room items that I've gotten in a long time, man. Check it out. So here's how to apply. So basically all you gotta do, like I said, is you're gonna take those mosquito dunks and of course read the directions. You wanna use a certain amount per per square foot, or like square however fuck amount of garden that you have, and it's gonna tell you the directions on the back of that as well. So then with me, I don't really give a fuck about shit like that, but I do try not to make sure I don't go overboard. But with this infestation of fungus gnats that we had going on right now, I thought it was smart to just go ahead and I just sprinkled a lot in there. Now you see me use my hands on this shit. It is non-toxic, you know what I'm saying, to humans, but I probably still wouldn't recommend, you know what I'm saying, being a savage like your boy, you know what I'm saying. So probably put some gloves on and shit so you don't transfer this shit into your food and stuff. But after you pour this shit out and you pour it on the pots, on the top of the topsoil, then you just water it in, and that is actually I believe it's like a bacteria that actually lives inside these mosquito bits or mosquito dunks. Dunks are the bigger versions of them, but there's actually like a bacteria that lives inside of that shit, and it actually, when it gets into the water, it spreads throughout the water, and then when those plants drink, when those not plants, but when those mosquitoes larvae and those fungus gnats larvae, when they start to drink that stuff, as they say, you don't want to get this shit on your skin and shit like that as well. Like I said, so you probably don't want to do it like that, man. But it will kill off the entire infestation within a few rounds, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. We out.